A recap of simplifying fractions. The first thing you need to ask yourself is, can you multiply the numerator by anything to get your denominator as an answer? In this case, we can. 3 times 3 equals 9. Since we can do that, 3 is going to become our greatest common factor. What that means is we divide both sides, the numerator and the denominator both, by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the simplified form of 3/9 is 1/3. Now, if you want to see that it works in the long way around, you simply list the factors of 3, list the factors of 9. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Now, of these factors, 1, 3, and 9, which ones do they have in common, and which one is the largest? They both have 1. They both have 3. 3 is the largest factor they have in common. So therefore, 3 is the greatest common factor, just like we worked up here. Down here, we have 2 6 as our fraction. Ask yourself, can I multiply 2 by anything that gives me 6 as an answer? Well, of course you can. You realize that you can multiply 2 by 3 to get 6. So 2 becomes my greatest common factor. So what that means is I divide my numerator by 2 and my denominator by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. If you need to check that out with the long way around, list all the factors of 2, which is 1 and 2. List all factors of 6, which is 1, 2, 3, and 6. And ask yourself, which is the greatest common factor? They both have 1. They both have 2. 2 is the biggest common factor, so that's what you divide by, just like we did up here. But that doesn't work all the time. Sometimes we ask ourselves, can I multiply the numerator by anything and get the denominator as my answer? In this case, the answer is no. 6 times anything will never give me 9 as an answer. So I need to list out my factors. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So you ask yourself, between this list of factors and this list of factors, which ones do they have in common, and which one is the biggest one they have in common? So you notice that they both have 1 in common. They don't both have 2. They both have 3, but they don't have 6 or 9. So between these lists of factors, which one is your biggest factor? 3. Therefore, your greatest common factor is going to be 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the simplified version of 6/9 is 2/3. Let's try another one. Can I multiply 9 by anything and ever get 12 as my answer? I cannot. So therefore, I list the factors of 9 and I list the factors of 12. Again, the factors of 9 are 1 and 3. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So you ask yourself, between this list of factors and this list of factors, which is the largest one that they have in common? You see that they both have 1. They both have 3. That's the only factors they have in common. Oh. And by the way, another factor of 9 is 9. I forgot about that. Sorry. But still, that doesn't negate the fact that the greatest common factor is 3. So we divide our numerator by 3 and our denominator by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So therefore, the simplified version of 9/12 is 3/4.